Guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset your Xiaomi Smart Speaker. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So, if you're having problems with your Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker, well, in this case, restarting or resetting it can solve a lot of issue. Well, first things first is you want to make sure that your speaker is turned on and that the LED lights are actually active. So, in here, what we need to do next is we want to look for a button here that is the volume plus button as well as the volume down button here. Now you want to press these two buttons together on your speaker for about 5 seconds simultaneously. Now the LED lights on the speaker will blink or change color, signaling that the reset process has started. So in this case, the exact light behavior here may depend on the speaker model, but typically speaking, you just need to let it complete the reset process, and this could take a few minutes, so just be patient or even just leave it around out there. But once the reset is done, the speaker will reboot, the LED lights will return to its normal state, and at this point, the speaker is back to factory settings and ready to be set up. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.